DL.
Yamamo akwaba afi tumirika ne hia yen ewo Facebook and afinsi YouTube na yemfa kasebo no enchiri mu ankasa ensam ya hia kasebo na se Afri Ghana mampeni ebede achiri akachem yamame her excellency Professor Jane Nana Opoku Ajiman ode adesere ede ato mensini ana samra wonom ewo atifido atoyefam ana mensini ne mekire Upper West region sabesere woromada tomatoes eya de ba ko men se ye me ya ni kwahu ye beboa ye pa firi se wo bowura mpotem ho no ma eye sankana e konkan ye pa ye behia se nyinata ye betumi atachire efiri se aban aye krato pesos opese wo boa na o man Ghana ememe ahodo a tomatoes mudi hu dwa beboa na Ghana ye ndodom atumi di bia kwa mo no obeta mu akire ntoma mode anyiro mo ho na mo ntai ekuro ni nyinachi na mampeni ebeda akire mi sei emere bi atwam na yanka ye ka baabi o man Ghana tomatoes ebusu pa dia na ka ye Upper West region nim a sankana ne potem na ebusu pa na so nansen akwaje nsrepe ane pataku na mampeni ebeda chirechire mi sei sese ameka sei Ghana mampeni John Dramani Mahama ene na apan ene ne hwepade agwe kon beboa pa beta kuafo achi na mmea hoto a wono mbo mmode adu tomatoes be yi no aban beboa wono bibi omo ye no ne ma kwankan ede ma wonom o mampeni ebeda chirechire mi sei edu bia ye fede na ani wu se Ghana man yete hanom nansa se bedia chese uhia fertilizer mpo adede batu fom bi afifiri kama ne yebo mmade akọ bokana faso kofa tomatoes ba Ghana enamso man ade hye nansen enipa pode nwotwe wo munyina ahwere mo nkwa ne santi aban pese besi biunti no ena opese oboa na ade hye am wo Upper West region no moyere mo ho esi tomatoes hu kua na makonka de mamom no decided to dwamra sankana wono mafa hye to dwa na mampeni Professor Jane Nana Opoku Ajiman kopie no chire mi sei obesere mo ada monyere mo ho aban so tamachi pampe se beboa na de hia mo wo etifide mantem atoyefam mo beyere mo ho na kuaye na ban atamachi chire mi sei ade ba ko obesere ne sei masomdwe mapa emadat aya ade hia ne nyina ntem eno beboa mo bibia do pese odi ne sika ekwehye mputudwuma mpotem ho no mo da tumi akosoma kuaye ahodo a wo musi hu anaso mutu hu anamo no abayatumi atawo no machi odi same say edi tudwa.
Agriculture, as we know, is also very important to our national development agenda. Sankana is well positioned to benefit from ongoing efforts to strengthen food production and agro-processing. It is worth recalling that tomatoes were once cultivated here on a large scale. There is an opportunity to revive this. I urge the District Assembly and regional authorities to work closely with communities to fully harness these opportunities, not only in Sankana, but across the region. And most importantly, every aspect of national development rests on peace. Where stability holds, businesses can grow, farmers can invest in their land, and children can thrive.
Mokwa obiensi ho monkwa mo beda ho na mahuna manne. Na ne kwakra mu no ana mampeni abedi akire echire mu am. Ghana mampeni ba yi ogusu badwumaden o man Ghana mantema hodo ene mensena hodo ena ban eboa wono makwan oye na yemfanto ade hia mo etifide atoyefam mekire sankana sei o mampeni de makwan pina ede aka big push initiative dwumadie ne ho anche makwan hodo asese na ban beyi ni nyina kama se beboa na tomatoes ahodo ma besi hu kua no edu ba bia mo de kodwom akoton a mo ho nkire mo na kwene bede ho sensem be kon kan de ma de hia mo wo etifido atoye mantemnim.
Development is at the heart of our agenda through the Big Push infrastructural program. And I'm happy to note that the road from Wa through Tumu to Navrongo is currently under construction. Furthermore, work has started on the Wa to Solar Road. Sites for the 24-hour markets for MMDCs have been identified and work is set to begin. Another priority is improved school infrastructure in Sankana, including learning facilities and sanitation. Initiatives such as providing sanitary materials are also intended to ensure that girls continue to stay and climb up the educational ladder. But quality education depends on teachers demonstrating professionalism, on students remaining focused and disciplined, and on parents and the wider community continually providing support.
Eni a woti ye eyo mampeni abedi achire Professor Nan Jane Nana Opoku Agyman na eno achi na bahwebadwam acha mehene oniminyamfo right honorable Aban Kingsford Sumana Babin ekopie mu ana wochirem a Ghana mampeni eni abre egusu bo adwumaden a sisi amekesei eya dama wompotem hormo no aban gusu a wotim kama boa sebe ya tomatoes adwumadi omba bedie no ombetumanya nsu apetepete so kama na mo no ba ya ombedua no bibia konkan ede ama wono.
Luckily for us, the project has the support of leading international and local partners such as the Ghana Share Landscape Emission Reductions Project, the Green Climate Fund, the UNDP, Forestry Commission's Climate Change Directorate, and the Global Share Alliance. They are all solidly behind this project, which is aimed at restoring 100,000 hectares of degraded parkland and ultimately planting 3.5 million shea seedlings. And I want to assure you that government is committed to the dredging of the Sankana Dam. This is to expand not only the water for the purpose of farming, but also for the purpose of potable water, a small water or what we call rural water system for Sankana and its surrounding villages.
Eni a woti ye eyo my Ghana ye mehwebadwam acha mehene oniminyamfo right honorable Aban Kingsford Sumana Babin na eno ache no na ohene popo de ma de sha won mo Sankana eye na sankoi mona ede adesere ede to abanim se obesere na da eye Sankana dam no aye bibia wo honom ya hwene ne buguma eka aba no enya sim komati aban emwa eno wachi nso obesere aban eno anim ya da wanam chip compound no abamba no homoden ma omani kwananim ne enkwada ne polyclinic ne mwa na yare sabia na yare sa wonsensem enkwa nka visa obo wura potem hono ma yare sabia bia nhede ne hono aban mwa na edu ba bia na enkonta eya to bentum.
Would like to propose to the Ministry of Agriculture in the introduction of modern and sustainable agricultural practices like hydroponics and aquaculture in the area to boost productivity. The facility will also serve as training grounds for agricultural science students from our technical universities and secondary schools. Somewhere in 2018, our hopes were heightened when we learned that the then government had secured a facility for dredging and upgrading irrigation systems of the dam. However, those hopes were dashed when we waited for time without end to see that project come to reality. We would be grateful if our dam could be saved from collapse. Another area that chiefs and people of Sankana traditional area will need government intervention is the upgrading of the chiefs compound into a polyclinic to help meet the health needs of the growing population.
Eni a woti ye ohene popo de ma de hia wonom ewo Sankana ewo tifido atoye mantenem ne den edina sankwai muna ena wote nini.
Yentua Kasiabone so na Electricity Company of Ghana for Ede Chopa Abeto Mountain so efa omwa eyet memfo omwa my Ghana mu achese dumso na the fiti last week ebeni na dumso na ana ekoso no mu chema eyade a akosombo grid kono etimi eto mo no namso nti no ana dumso no ekoso no mo ne nsam chofo ekasa endra kwesi yo for insobosum ne de toso aduonu nsia won fimpi mienu ene aduonu nsia mu ana ECG for general manager edema external relations Dr. Charles ni ayiku ekasa ye echie musa sese no megawatt be 1000 achese abloke eno nam sunti no ana chese dumso no ekoso ewo mangana mu no chiema ya de omobo mohomodin ye pa se transmission network no ometimi enya na chese nkania no etimi ejina so sanse niema ekoso no mo krampo no ya de ha mo ye pa sanse no mani nda se bibi se ebetimi akoso na emomeja na eto akoso mo grid koni mu nti no ana ama niema we ni na eba suntu no mo form bone enchewom na ye ECG for sanse na grid ko ene Volta River Authority ye vinyare for ye ejuma se ne ebe ya nkania no ebetimi ejina so ewo mayimu.
There have been an assessment that there's a full evaluation which has been done to assess or to determine the extent of the impact, and this has enabled the teams to commence processes to restore normal operations as swiftly as possible. Measures have been put in place, working on a laid of new cables and making sure that even before the main substation is put to use, a real action to get customers or the turbines and other systems working should be able to get ready as early as possible.
DLFM 106.9.
Eni ya uti ye ECG for general manager edema external relations Dr. Charles ni ayiku nenu achi ana timemfo mo asantemantem kumase eni di okasebo etwetwen komo no mu twemu se dumso na ekoso no nya de omo we sanse omampani John Dramani Mahama eni edisi aban ne de adeda de wo honom 2016 ana chese sha senti se dumso se no eba so na nya de omo kra esan so modie omutimi eyen na emomo sre aban so momo de anfa shepa engu akwan mu se ne ebe yankane no ebetimi ejina so
Sibanu ye na obeka omo ankasa omo ti wo mu kan ye dundum de ayomo habe omo ba pe na osate o ni ba ja akoso mu eso aban bi aba akoso moro enu omo so nko aba ene omo nu ye ko wodum be 4 times da ko mtum duru be 10 nti e ba e kam e kan ye ba wie nti kasa ti omo so mo e ba ye ni yom ye no ma ni ye ku aba e ba wo mu ye abai ni esa be dum kan ya kan ho a wa wutumi da wa so fa kwa na de ne se ye dum kan ya ye hu amane pa ni se omo de omo ba kan ya dundum de omo arabe omo agia wo ba tele bi ongo dum kania so ikania dum dia ka obia enka ba akofo obia onu nu wo wesa wo kosofo omo be ka wo mo yo ton asota ebe kan obia kanu se wo ni pe what you ofie woni na so bo mu apre obekọ na shi fie betia shi fie kra etijumadi omo ne ye ne de enye yanku ene fati obia we this new MPP no fati mukoni ebia kami but mi hu de ekọ so ebia nkomo ka bibi nche se bia light no photo abaye ye ni but yentehwe so anaso mama timetable kra na akeye embe se edum light no anopa na tonumre anaju be 10 no soye omoso anopa pa be 7:30 no masa dum bi timifu ekram kra ma tima charge na mi se kra se to masa dum so nti ha me ha dwen pa tuwe misra ma won bibi mai ha me pa kai wo no ma kakra o fridge no ko na la chi edum na se no ma bibi de se clat so omoso so a omo ba high current so nti baza no so uni vie so wetima so vie ana se vidan obi no mo yisi so a gaje di so a enye papa on se home use no manual na eto ebetima so dan bibi on se somewhere 2016 se 2015 so dum so na ma fo vie shisi sa da wan ya be kwa mo minka se ebe yesa mu but de ko ne de misra ban na wonye ne mai
say ma demo ye shia de chin ye implement ni answer ena say nkofo me bibia answer mu ba be say nkofo mi
eni ya wuti ye eyetimemfo omo asantemantem kumase anomu chema adumso ne de eye ndc aban ne habits nti anya de a eye asemo akra edema wo
yanto akase won so yankwaso anyine mu ewanyankane yansense mu am na nyina yenim se na wotwe atwa mu e na o my Ghana ene ye nuanom grikofo mpanimfo wonom staff station a ewa akosumbo se fa he kakadwan ejabra ne beto mu a ewidi adi omen no enya semkuma kram nansa na grikofo staff station ewa akosumbo ejabeto mu mpo no no man Ghana mia hudu bi wo hore bon se nyinam kane na hwere ne sesa habayira moyi no twintwan so kase pa na ageta na ba sene boja wotu anadwo nyasemwa ene Ghana fo bi ne mu asase kasa ena openipo no no de man Ghana nyinam kane fo dwumedi anom ye papa Julius papana ede beto Ghana fo anim sei aban guso man hyehye pa ene wode mu saka transformers no pode empimienu na hanum ebeboa ayensiesie asesa dodo na entedu ba bia mu ya adwuma no obne hyehye pono beba na aboa okana na beko na so nyina nsiesie adwumadi ampanifo eye na grikofo mpanifo de ebeto odwai de na se awudi aba no nyasemwa na nadua yi ena osofo no ena oman Ghana ode ya hone de ano mekire minister for energy and green transition oniminya for John Agyei Sikapa ekire ma sesi amekesen empanifo abadwumaden sesi omo generation unity no ometua omade omo nsaka mienu ba kumpo enche eno so omo sebeka ti se yi de bibia guso ekọ kama pa enche saa ne ma hodo ekọ so a enche na oka ne atum no bibia bekọ awieye opani kire mi sei emiamia pi na mekese omo ho aka che sei ha adwenye pam ode se de tudwamra na odi nkomo e de afa aban kontan hye hodo a Ghana man pende atudwa sei anya hwempo obasom na aban mu a ene ebosom be ya mense konsia bebu nkonta na Ghana furu hunu modem mo ekonkane a yemo abaso ankoye nsu a na yantwe otomfantom yemekire government accountability city dwumade atodwa e wona dwadan oforu so bosom yebone tosodo adonu nson e won fempemienu ene adonu ensiemu okirema sesei wanom aye putupuru enhyemudie kama ne hyepa guakwam a adwumaden a yisi jimpanifo abo no enyasemwa okirema sesei yanka nkire Ghana fo sei eno na yekosiada wono manda be nansani omo na da wo magina mo na so abadwumaden hyehye pom de guakwam na enche enyina nkane ansensem a agye nsepene pataku no bibia bekwa wiye.
I'm pleased to inform you today that through emergency technical interventions and sheer determination, the first generation unit was successfully restored yesterday. This afternoon, as I was about preparing to come for this briefing, I received confirmation from the acting Gridco MD and the VRA MD that the second unit has also been brought and is generating power. I've also been reliably informed that the third unit is undergoing works and that it will be brought on as soon as possible. When we bring on the third unit, it then paves the way that the new technology, the innovative technology that they've never used following this incident has proven to be successful. Then they will bring on the remaining 3 units.
Eno wache no eno numinyamfo John Agyei Sikapa ekirema sesi ameke sei oman Ghana aso ya hwe nyinam kane aso eno wa mota ekire egina mo nanso a wanom ebo adwumadene wadere mo nawo chese adwumade a mo bo ne nyasim kuma nam Ghana fo ho donti ente mo moden anta wo machi pampe na adwumade a mo bo na enche saa ho ahodo a yehunu no ebe se Israel ma no ene Egypt hene Pharaoh.
On behalf of government and on behalf of the good people of Ghana, I wish to seize this opportunity to commend and salute our engineers and technical teams who have remained on site, working tirelessly under extremely difficult conditions to restore the system to full operation. Let me tell you that your dedication, your professionalism and unwavering commitment in the face of these daunting challenges and situation is truly, truly commendable. I salute you, I thank you, I commend you, and I'm immensely proud of what you've achieved so far.
Nekwakura mo no numinyamfo John Agyei Sikapa ekirema Ghana fo nyira chew obesere mo ada de asie emu oyepa na nso makona nnim ene yepa onim nchini ahwo ahodo a oman Ghana de hye fam ebe na nyam kane a dwuma edidie no doso tailor fo wom baba fo ginam adwadifo ahodo nyina hyem bi finidwuma fo wom mamu ya adwuma okosto mo nam na hyase e bon ha mo pa wate ye nyina ya namu okiremu a opamochew de asie papa so pa homa so nyina numo deni ye dem nti obesere mo ada omuguso ye adwumaden enche oha we nso ebetwam monkafra pass abanisa.
This unfortunate and unprecedented disaster, which I have never witnessed, has resulted in the temporary curtailment of power from our largest generation source, the Akosombo Dam, leading to severe power challenges not witnessed in recent times. Let me state, and I state humbly to all those affected by this situation, I wish to assure you that I deeply empathize with you and I share your frustration and discomfort in this trying moment. We never anticipated this. We never saw it coming. We've never witnessed it. It's challenging, but we would rise above this challenge. Let me assure you that government, working through all relevant sector agencies, have responded with urgency and coordination. Our engineers have since remained on site. Some of them have stayed there for 3 continuous days without leaving site, working around the clock under very, very extreme and difficult conditions to restore operations.
Any awoti ye yoswafo no na ohwe oman Ghana ya hone ne ensem ano ne din edo nimnyamfo John Adjoa Agyei
Yentoa Kasiabone so na enkane moderator Edema Presbyterian Church of Ghana Reverend Professor Joseph Obriyebu Amante akaset ya galamse no koso ewo maimu echemu se omomfa manyosem ento nche no mo hweso betimi abogana yatena yenso ehoban no ro de ode kokobo ana ekwa ama omo ya manyosem no ase ade a eno eso man Ghana yatena ye na ode be ya manyosem de a dachi no ade be ha oman no no de nsem we ede tudwa ewa bra no ye nchekere ewa asore endra kwasie Ofoyin so bosom ni deto so aduonu nsia ewo Victory Congregation Edema Presbyterian Church eno ewa adenta frafra ha ewo nkanpuni mantem hanom ana ochie mu say ade asom mpanifo ne de obebo modern akasa ede afa galamse ni ho emfa ho ani nipa oba akwatena monten so adidi omatam no kre ana omo de eyade omo kan no de nsemi ede tudwa ewa abra Chief Executive Officer Edema Ghana Free Zones Authority Dr. Mary Awusi ekwatena ye radio so edidi chairman Edema Church of Pentecost Atembesan say ade awakasa te galamse ana ochie mu say sansam na ye omo kan omo so no omo ye nyame adwuma asanso abo man Ghana ho ban enti so obi beba akoka galamse asem na so de be ya manyosem de nya de beboa wo so mtimi hwe se Ghana ye nsuo nso no ani ebetimi atene akodada nim saa sanso na ba ye nsa say edidua no ba ye ne ade ni na ye nton ema nipa bi ema ni nkotu galamse wo so ntia ya asum mpanifo de omekoso akasa e de afa galamse no ho.
We're talking about galamse. I have heard that there is somebody who says that some senior pastor has talked against galamse, so he's shouting at him. Tell that woman we are not afraid of her. It's not about party. We are not afraid of anybody. Like the Pope said, I'm not afraid of the Trump's administration. But when I was chairman of Christian Council, I went with the current president, the Church of Pentecost head. We went to the then president and told him that galamse should stop. I was the one that led the delegation. We talked and talked about it. It's not just during this, it's not about party issues at all. If people cannot think beyond party, they should stop opening their mouths. And I'm serious about what I'm talking about. We are not afraid of anybody. No party. We were there before there was party.
Eniya Utiye enkane moderator Edema Presbyterian Church of Ghana Reverend Professor Joseph Obriyebu Amante.
Yanto akasebo no so ne mfa ani mfa nkyire mo Mike na ye pie mantem na jansahene Edema de hia wonom ewo ebrem ewo pie mantem Nana Otibu Buazi. Odesema tudwa echirim say. Enya semwa se wunim na hokofo ewuja opa say. Ekesia fi na honkwa hu say ye de maya nkonam. Ahokyera bafie na nana chirem say. Edum pampenso sia na ahokyera bapam. Dodo na sikasem enkonkan. Na je say obi amfi won. Je say nimpotemfo ayinimu na busua so atono pahwi. Enti abanza na sikasem enya ne naso. Na afei bawu say na ohianami na atwe wonom akwakoto ahokyerem sese ebo modern na aboa ohia atwe nkoto eto anyapada so wonom na de send to dwamra adehema fan club de kwaya adoye pi de ma akuafo a wonom wompotem honom a omde anomde ye pi drinks ekoye ene enuane food items efison toma ene sika mu otu eka ho koma akuafo bebro ha ewa brem kroduanim ewa piemantem ewa ndrada nana Otibu Buaze echirem say wo hwe hawo pia akunafo koma etu baabi no manya adwene mu hawo etete wono pa enam sesabi omunye obi obeta wo machire nti no enipa pinso du baabi ondom sa kire kire mo so tese omummuwon adenti a woni kunu eba ne sa obi ho no ntumi nhye ne ho so pe bebe bia bese ne pe bia ne wate ase obekọ no so ne na wo bia kan na mafo na ye bebre efi no ha ne mu aye den be ma no so asa ato no pahwi etemi ka sei ema kunafo titiriw ennam so hwe ahodom na otae mu a ano wade ne pam o kire mi sei ode ade sra de ato o my Ghana ankrankre aban na omka bia wobanim sei ene nwumankuo akase ne nkuma mu obesra mu ada edum pempenso enyina ye moa na akunafo ba bokura ka Nyankopɔn adwuma ne sei obi a wokwakwe amin akunafo ene nyanka ene ade ba ko a eso Nyankopɔn ani tie nyina enkwata wo machi na ye moasa de ye ya ene adehima kra fan club fo ya ne yenso yensua bi na ye mo ne yemfa sedie enhya adehia wonom edikuna afromuma
na ne sisi a ha yense se no kuru pe ye mshafa na soro ye no betuma nso san anopa afuafo ye bre se woni be ma wo ho nhia nta wi ambo na be ma no be firi wonsa ebe na okuta nkwala bebre na nkwala no abebo so wanti nya nhwe nkwala no ya na ebi ma ye kubolo ebi ma ye wi fo efe eja no a obebo ama hwe nkwala no eja ni ho maame no so onu kwa na ho de ye den entimi ena na ye ma no so aya so gini ukasa chempa wo muti sisi amemu na omu de omu ye wi samo sese uye bibia enye yi adum nyame ena ye trenu ne mom de beta chefu afoni nyina ne se yesu yemfa kukubuo ni ahoden yemfa nye adwumadene yemfa nhwe ye ma no bebo ono se ni kunu pe na afa ne trim na fe woni nam obema bia ka so penu a na wa pene so na owo kan kwala no ho de odi ja ho nkwa yentimi hwe wo na wasan ewo eton kwala no ho enkwala no wo mna wa de ye den adwene nye ba ko tete entiene so nyame ya dom ana se ekomai ada kan akoma tuye mu yesese ebiri bia no omompie na enso ewo asembia ene o maka
ene ensam de bi wo ho mo beka bebiri na fise ensam e wo mo bo no e ha mo pa ene a woti agya sehene e de ma ebrem ene wa pie mantemu na otibu buazi ena wote ne nkan na no wakina kofale bai ono kura enso ye kwankyere fo pani ono ene woda adehima fan club ekuna no nana adwoa anobia e de afutuo pa mu oden edemam ekunafo se obesere mu ada monka se wa hokafo awagya nti wode wonsa be hye odamani fam ma manfo ato pa hwi obesere ada edu ba bia bo ho so mmomode na momfa mo nsanya biribi Nyankopɔn be hyira so ma mo so mabrabo no ne makonkan edemam
ende ye boremu e wo bremu no ababe yeye ma me no makunafo adoye ye bre omo ntoma ye bre omo nsuo ye bre omo aduane ye bre omo drinks koya obai de afutu abetumi bi ama me nuano mo ma titru ni ye ma me no me nua makunafo no ye nim se emu oya se ukunu afiri mu a ye na nkwala ne hye no ennafom ke ya ka se ye tele sanfo dia wa sha ye so ye de ye nsiesie ye ho entimi sira se awo no te ba ko mienu ana obetumi ana wawo enwo ne bebile esa na so tena bi papa ni ni wa ho be kiro so tena bi maame ni wa ho be kiro yenya ne kakra na yema adwuma sam ehia ye adwuma sam ene se si agana ha na ye wo no se wo hi obi abo ho modin a wo pa adwuma pa de a ho be kiro ye pa e wa abrabo wo mu enti yema adwuma enye sa aban adwuma nko a wankasa wo betumi aketi adwuma bi ama ho kakra bi a wo bi afase uti enfa wani ntu obi so se we re ma me na me obi aba ma enye de bia na nipa ne benya bia ma entima adwuma sam ehia na ma wani nkɔ nkwala no ho
ene ye de ho pa na bo ho so ene a uti ono ene ye penimpa ono kurase ye kofale bai edema adehima fan club e wapie mentem ne den na Adjoa anobia ena wote ne nkan na no wachi ene akunafo a wonom ensaka adoye soronko a adehima fan club de koma wonom kirimi sei wonom da adehima fan club penifo ase pa ena adoye kese a wonom aya mo Nyankopɔn ko nhyira so a onhyira wonom
efrem ekura mansa adehima abaye adoye amaye ye de nyame ase se wo ma abaye adoye de amaye enka hoda wo munye mu mu nyai ye da wan se de nyame da wo mas
wo de maye Kama ka yen so yesu mama papa ye ni mama ye ensre de nyankopon ho mam nyame ntom kwam mama mu ahode na mu numa nyina nye nyankopon di da wase sada na ye ni na ye jisu adekese ama ya kye nyankopon shawo ni yera bunya skepiye ade ye sado yi nyankopon shawo na mu
Eni ya woti ye eye kunafo a wanom ewo apie mantemu a make say abrabo eno ma hwehwem ya ewo ebrem ena wote so mo de na se piesie edema adeshima fan club mo apie mantemu amane boye nsem twire ni Emmanuel Opoku active adodo abone mane say DJ active ena de amane boye efi apie mantemu ebesom ye
Yantua Kasiabone so na inesi hine ede machim ebu akwa traditional council wepwe mantemu eyo sabere ma ata apia kro eje yotosu mienu aka set ya niema bi eno ekoso efa meburu ne ho wompotemu ho no kirema eya ade mebunu mu wo nyinesi asowe atia ono ene ni mpanifo a chese omosori atem didie ene nsem keka na chese omoka ede afa mpanifo ne ho no kirema niema ekoso ne ha adwen ye papa esanse omuhu boni bi omaye anu ti mebunu no asori eti omusa no mu de omugidi so obi anahye ase a o kire mebunu de onye nanu so no mbepe ho eye pomasi brand no de nsemi editudwa eye enra kwesi ofori sobosome ne de toso aduonu nsia ewa mfimpi mienu ene aduonu nsia mu ewa abra na omoya akwesidaye ewa chim nyinasi eye ahemfie ana ohini ekasa ana ochemu se ye mebunu kakra ya omoba ye ebeta omachi no ode asida piesie ede mawam sanso no otu omofo se omaka na omode atemdidie ne nsem keka na omoka afa mpanifo ho no omomfo ho enkobowom na omonhwe sa asumdie bekoso ewo mpotem ho no osanso etu omofo echiremu se so ya abofra na pese wunyim beye panipa na nya baby papa nsi a ewo sa wudi obuo ede ma mpanifo se ne beye nyakopon so ebehira
Ode no mo yesi dipadi ka we benia na ko woti e ko bas benia woni awo na se ja se to bi e ba e ye wo a e ye na wo ta ko lechi se o woni e pe fo de ye ma je ye ba wo e fe ko fulu cha e ye lo da budo ko fia santi ja o Eric e fa agenda se di pai e ke na pa ti cha pa na le customer ngam say mo jaay mo bi e fa ti e da we o de da amamane amage proso na me customer ngam say me ali me ke bi ti mo bi e fa sa ko na mo ke solution de ba mo mo se ko yo mi mu ti e mo na ko so me bi pa pa o mo so na ya ko ye bi ye so je na pe fa sada aka so be ya to jo yi ti na na o mi cho o me pe so be sa me ni ke na o ka cha ma fo se ka me yo fa ka do be se pa look at it na o ku be se esa o sa na so je ya to jo se o ku yi ba o no be ni to ka ba so e ma me to ya ko se aya ma me ya mani aya ba to ese e jo mo mu ya ke mo so mo to mo to na o so ko so
Enwechi anaye nyinasihine ekasa ana ochie mu se ya do obebo ne mmodin ahwe sempuntu juma ebetimi akoso ewo mpotem honom na wahesa ya kuntabuo nso no ebekoso na ye ne mpanifu a omohwe asase so ewo ye mantem honom so no obebo modin ane omaye ejuma se ne ebeye beboa na mpuntu juma ahodo ye project ahodo mpese omonye ewo mpotem honom ni na omatimi aye
sa na ba ye de na waye de afa manye ba le ye dumra esekuru eku akoso na ma se ya na miye bo se juma na me kwa na miye juma na ma se na ya juma ateti ama na se sabe ye ni abam before this awoso na me ke ko ye ni ai ya ko ese ye ni anti was kabo ani abare kabo ya de tujo na me ma se ye juma
DLFM.
Yes, every am to that's yes, who are that obi ko baba no go na ma fa ya ka kwase na ya je beso owu ye ya ka kwase na sa je ya ka chese sa na so be ka chese na ko ya chese sin ko da mama sa na mezo na me ya she eye land committee fo mesro e ba wo chawo en se bi a me tiro aduma no mo ye die es mesre akakakra ba wo chawo se de ko bia ko me efa di market se bi ya kwan speech e de ba ko aduma no mesram me bi ni na se ba di ya ba mo ma ne ko di yo mu ana ma no di yo mu ta o de e ba se wo sa ti mesre mo se ma aduma no mo ye be mo ba se mo akakakra mo pejam mesram to ko sasia ni to ko ma ne mre en ko down e say mu fa dwedie
ne krakra mu ana Osaberima ata Agyei otosumienu eda eye omanfo omu nso ewo nyinesi omu beja no ema ne pe ne maame eye Madam Cecilia Ampaben efia sia pesa eye krabie ewo eye meminde etwa mu no ewo eye majbosome ewo mfimpimienu ne aduonu nsiam so omu nso ebetan na chi ema ne timisie ne maame fefefe anode aseda ede ema wo
agressivo me ma papinho aya dia ma mania so ye pa subia de no nesse uma ganancia e o se ma be wa to fo afili na me ya be we na se ye we na pie ba ye is a branch e baba wa na me ye yes na me de ki se ya wa na se na na me da se na e bi ba yes me su ye so na ma ye na e se me da ba se me di ka ma e ye o ma ni se da ba se
ya wuti ye eyo Osaberima ata apiakro Agyei otosumienu onna ye nyinesi hene ede machem ebu akwa traditional council na manibo ye nsemtwo ni kontin hene Kofi Obo ana di frepo emantemu ebesumie
ye nyina we so na yakenka madwenkyere ni bia mfansom kase ebo no so na me wofa se oyibobu aten ede aba no so hwe life edi free atwema na elbehen no wase dum so ya de atete oman de omampani eman homene so na dum so no ompa ehun poma sibre na me wofa se bawasaba GH to so hwe life edi free tama community 2 BBC ene me hwe ye nyame nhyira ye pam na Accra Abraham so hwe life edi free tama Newtown medase na me wofa se Richard ahwe edi aba no so man adwumaden so kwa ye bosom Ghana no ya me nhyira ye pi Nhyiraba ene Adjoa Agyei Sikapa ose kasebo no emu desa no mana nam DJ Ghana man fide ni so ewo Bwetre station ya me nhyira ye pa na wode aba sei kasebo ne wanapo ede adea eka sen ene wode aka hom me wofa se dola ya Agyei di aba na so man adwo Nhyiraba ohwe ya live edi free Christian village achem water ncha kase nkoma na dofo nyina na wasan de aba sei eye so sad se ne obi di kuna awre ko pan yakopon ebehwe mwate monka makoma emfanto mo ye me wofa se fo be yadrei me wofa se Bismark mambizi atenase aha ne yenim bambizi de ezeze ye friend Ken Puyo Ken Puyo watenase nsemo de ba no emu de sa no manam ye ba
ye yo mo ye ma so mo anya di data mo ye nya wo mo ye ma yo mo akumo ye na akumo ye ma yo mo no mo ye afu betem yes you are to see Lord I want to do this time hey my God, you are not lying. They are joking with us. There's a set of all supporters.
DL Power Sports on DLFM 106.9.
Pressure, Mr. Kasante, Mr. Bade, Mr. Kasante, Asante, Mr. Kasante, watch your bottom room, Mr. Kasante,
me wofa se Bismark man busy eni me de ba kwa ka ho Ken Puyo nya se mku akra Metra se mercy. What transfer crado? And same pen na magrupa maso de nyina besumi anumre. Amarone o my Ghana mudi aboni nyina do so po deba. Na Shanty goal for Matisse or more enya promotion e bag Ghana Premier League no bi o. No say ni mutu o mo de. The motion nka on. Bismark Adusei.
Offensive nyame adom ho e.
E bia boko.
Nyame adom pa. Sounds ho e.
Oh, metiapo.
Na Puyo na dem me defender na Puyo de Mzenka.
Ye be so da match.
Puyo a fantastic defender.
Yeah. Say
my body defense of one side na.
We say
my body defense of baby.
Say Puyo de yemfa mo bia sa keke. Ye nipa modern mo konkan. Na usi form yi.
Be my body defense ana.
We say
my body defense
baby. Me see Puyo kire say obi a modern mo so ani. A wo gina na na so say be mamu a.
Ti me see form one side.
Obi o ye bia no, o de ahokeka. Eni anije na o de ye adwuma. En okun ho ma na mai. That's King Puyo.
King Puyo. Enti King Puyo.
Yes, enchire mpi.
We are the second and
we are the one.
The
wo de na wo na odi kan. Din we mi fama.
And the title anode.
Anode den. Senior, e brenti e say osi form.
Mate.
Ghana fire.
Right, abusan me mo adwuma akwa kwan so nkoso krema dia 106.9 mega so emra so yada agude mu nsiam papa atuni je nsiam no we no e dia passport juma die no yam fanso mo kasafidikase no dia ko empo kran dia ba agukan nsem nsem anwei ya trans Lumba super dam mo so ase yada agude mu nsiam na so mo anwo dwane show no live on Facebook at capital D capital 106.9 mega so me patro image outdoor video outdoor ni ade kan nsem no reaction sao do nyina no won so to so abrante fence champion kofitela na dama na ode sao so we enso asu ade kan se Facebook and YouTube ne so na sa won so atimi atodwuma so asira PSA enkoma mi ebu producer Michael se okocha anaju ana se mpanyime no wana atimi akuchire nsam ne nyina so agu nkrata so DJ Ziggy B Ozigi wa be mesin na watwemu na nsantem de Ozigi dwuma dia wadi ofia de masa chekroi Ozigi so ta kire bia gudemu nsam ya de ba na sa bibi bia so atimi akonkan me enhyasia ya chance so afifie me patriote say now for Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B enso kasa enso ri to anim se club offense Ashanti Goro for me kasa no wom so atimi nya de kan se qualification wom de ba Ghana Premier League next season 2026-2027 na me kasa no mapani a ye friends ode no apianin enin wono na se de kan se last Ashanti God FC no na opani wey ana ekofare ba ono ana na bank ruler na wadi nkomodo do na ba wasi say Ashanti God 04 FC na wom so qualify next season mo bebo are kan se Ghana Premier League no wasi wodo mo kokot eba ne say ana mcheze mu team na mutimi sisa team ni tin na mo befa Ashanti God na de se ne club ene yom koye ne mo hu anam so bi me patro GF disciplinary committee no enso timi Dimothy am no kasa ide ye pe team na cha kwan kura ye hu no eba ne se na mo kofa sa club ni din anam sempo no mo kofa sa din no enso ato mudin so ye nti opani a ye friends odene ho apianin enin enkomo de sumie.
The problem I say, I go to Adino, focus, they didn't get from so. I focus because all my domain, you must have one enter say, say, only come for as good as the content of almost a year of money flow. No more for the car. For the car, no, they are cocoa, Yamaloesa, Omudu, soon, the better woman, I say, woman, buy with me as good dinner. Go ask them on any council. You go back already, no, there is a phone or a drink come over the wedding command, the end of council. It's your court, I say, I best a woman for that. Omaba, who my soon would be in their book, and get or what's with my premier in fight about night, that's all you want. But the dinner casano in contest, you come out of and then me, I go to the media. That's right. Then I go there and one about man doing the cocoa say, measure your connection one way. Focus, no, say, now, why they say, what's going to be the fire is the way I go there. To be a mistake, and it's a media focus. One better one for changes from the fire.
Heti odino apiani na ni na oti san komo se na yabane se na club ya friends Ashanti Goro for mo pa na mo se yam from Enquires heroes se yabane se na mo ko fa Ashgo Dino enso de tumu din so na nam so bi matima qualify no so e yan komo aka fi oba din na no enso so mu juma de se brand friends samba o now e captain fantastic de macrob ya metema kuma se Asante Kotoko kuma pema pemba ba wakwedi komo yebusanze samba se Kotoko no wo ko ana sempo wotina wase wono se ye twane nan ba kokura eye kumase Asante Kotoko ana opese obo assistance wani mpanifo gusu edin community fans no munya atwem na se montwen samba yentie onel.
I can say something today, but tomorrow maybe they can say something different. So for now, even it's one leg, I still want to play for Kotoko. For now, we are keep talking with the management. So if everything is possible, we'll let you know.
Wey aya sampa na Captain Fantastic Adema Kumasi Asante Kotoko Metema Krobia ano de san komo enso asumi adi nyina no enso asumu dwumade se so nsanso atimi ato dwumade nsi no a ukopiem ade e kan se Cross Sports Stadium me part of the Black Galaxies of Ghana we no aya under 20 team no mo boy yonko fa kan hye enti abo ba komedi kum no ma mienu amne kpando out of Lions game no andi ya no part of club ana sempo no ade e kan se Ghana Black Galaxy team no enso timi se kpando out of Lions team no come here and so man timi anti after that woman Adjoa Football Club and so boy game ni andi 0-0 na after say me patro gamer Black Galaxy so ne club friend say Adjoa Football Club so no abo 0-0 openia your friend say Choba Risika head coach no at the club friend say Adjoa Football Club no so I didn't come out say energy.
No, it's no pressure about me. Thank you so much from Federation invite our team and coming here from the play Freddy game. I appreciate too much. You see I coming here 5 players from the national team, under 20 and the Galaxy national team. Another 3 players injury. I coming from our squad. Is Trask coming from the play from it's in our plan from the week. And it's not problem the result. It's problem about the game. I am happy about some players go and no confidence and play. It's not my problem. The problem is for us to have a good plan from the young people, from put more player from the national team, the coach is here from selection the player, and us he tried the best from give more player from the national team. Thank you.
Wey Choba Risika head coach Adjoa Football Club this sound some way and so jadi nyina no ema dwumade ense so nsanso atimi ato dwumade ense bibi bia enso atimi akonka na me ne okasa na nsentem a ana ese yetiara husem ewo Ghana football ni nyina ne se nei club friends bekum Chelsea enso kobo Ghana Premier League enso okama na ana sempo no weno Samra Boy against ade kan se FC Samatters 1996 just bekum Chelsea wo mukodi ncho ade kan se omdo marwe wo omani hancho omde ba fia kwamukafo nso atimi ato mo kwama enam so bi ma brantia friends Frimpong Dominic enso atimi ahwe ne nkwa wo sanhyenim na antia mete ane se officially Adjoa Football Club unim sa brantia we amedi no komo Dominic Frimpong ne mother club ana obo ankasa Adjoa Football Club omote no enso koma loan enso abrekum Chelsea report amete anwei ane se officially Adjoa Football Club nso no me patro brantia friends Dominic Frimpong family ana sempo no na busua enso atimi abesio maye enti we no omode chese ade kan se ayisia no enso atimi akotuma ma Adjoa Football Club ene ade kan sempo no me patro domahene wopania your friends Osajefo Osiadeyo Dr. Ajimambadu the second Inti ya yi on say na nhyehyente 29th May nyankopon ya adoma wu kwada ya de anim ya no ana ehye ayi on so betimi atodwa we no etodwa e asen dansame abrante no enso ekuro mede nkomo no dodo na nso sumo dwuma de se sanso atimi atodwuma de nso duwa adofo na ebusuan so bekọ emu ana ese yakogya mabusuan no so eya nkomo akafi e ba yini nyina no enso so na report amete every Kumasi Asante Kotoko club na so ye ene se we be next week dear sa otwena enti kofi hwe so na sese epiepia image cinema ne ndi nkomo enti ntia metie fi Kumasi Asante Kotoko aso ye and say we be next week dear na say the long awaited ade kan say si wona fans no so ahwe mani ma say na pani bai ana Kotoko nso boni din na say wa be fa dwumadi no na say omo nso atimi abefa dwumadi ntia mete and say assistance dear Professor Adjoa Agyei mention ana a leading contender wano so bibi bias sana se entia yetene se sana ekwa ne dia wano so yebebo ni din se Kotoko siwo eno so ya reporter mensa so so di nyina no enso man commander ankadodo na wana so mo memre ne kwanti ya so no yemfa last story enso ema na fe yentinsi form fly number dia 106 na microphone cross na ya so enso afisa mun koma menu kasa dia Ghana Blasters the senior soccer team ya Captain Fantastic Jordan Pierre Aju meno kasa ni career mu nyina no akansi awasi nyina ni team atimi akọ relegation 6 times wo ba kai the year 2013 2014 no si akandi ma we no so shows me patro mu kọ relegation 2014 2015 wo kopiem Lorraine omu kọ relegation 2015 2016 Aston Villa odo mu kọ relegation 2017 2018 and of course Swansea City oko relegation last season and asempon we no 2023-2024 where the Leicester City free champion and we no English Premier League nim ekopiem championship 2015 when 2025-2026 with the Leicester FA Championship Equal League 1 your captain there come here as a club bia bebo bia no masa anase mpo ne entire career na waboni nyina no as a season bia otimi qualification no so yankoma akafi oba yedi nyina man komo no madika akacho sanka dodo na wa ne mo mamra no konti ye betie si form flying number DL1069 kan ketesi Lumba Super Edia Kwamanane.
Lumba in Super natural mineral water. Get a grip with that super break. Lumba in Super natural mineral water. Get a grip with that super break.
DL Power Sports. It went there. It jawo dead down.
Right, Tabusha Guswasin, Konyaso, Kain Katasi, Lumba, and Supan, Memi, with Jumadia Bain, Anna Wood, Anasam Pomfu, and Fu, and Sure Backra, and I want my Mebaba Madenasa on Sanso, at Timaka, Lumba, Supani, Mamatama, Guswasin, Konyaso, Agudiamu in Samafa Dusuno, me patch of flying number dear, 106 and go phone cross on Mananim Commano, latest exclusive Vignano, Jadi Guanas on Sanso, at Timiato Jumedes Rambi Bia, and Sweatimiako and Kanyasha, me patch of Penny friends, Jabian and Death, and Sure former head coach Adjoa Agyei Sikapa your friend said Baza wakwedi komo was na branch friend say Rafinha no and kofodo no so bone so bo say Rafinha and oye pivotal player and asempade kan say key player and so the Baza team no na ni nyina no branch midi no komo open friend say Jabian and Des at the time na so head coach no Adema club friend say Baza no na say odin komodo na say branch friend say Rafinha no ne mo de mo konkenti ko be jalo kwan was here ban say and Baza fans no and so this come away and so Mantini and Sene, Ubeka during that time. No, Okochi outside and so no, Nessa one monitor branch friends, Rafinha, what touch it down, Bassa Timmy up and I saw Timmy didn't come out and switch your penny friends, say, no, Limana, Sound also for branch friends, Rafinha, and I'm on no Jabiso, and a branch friends, Rafinha, and on sweat me up Bassa and people, and Tabanzana fans, no, and Shreddy come a a branch friends, Rafinha, no Jabino, Nampa, Johnson and Ingeno, and also come on crap Brantia and also when Penina your friend says Javian and Dad former head coach no Adima Basa team na Kodi Yadin so small Jumede says Bibi Bia sweat me can come on was it during that time no one coach Emma Basa no was it with me contact ya Brantia said Fabiano so when your friend said Pedro and not Nema da Silva Sempono we been here service ni no Nessa Basa Musika some no form as I want you pa and I say and so air cost Basa Kache and I'm subbing a Brantia friend said Pedro and it bueno and she Nema da Silva woman sweat me on Johnny Basa now I see Messi no what jet to send Kabaya there can say Peka me say Obetina Ketchaso Nanka wa Johnny Club a friend said Basa now so during that time no Penina your friend said one La Porta and also catch no some patrono on also want me and from Messi Maclaba your friend said Basa but also and come on Kefio by Dina no and sure so much better says one sound sweat me to Medes and Manuka say Adia can say another club your friend said Totia must be Manuka say no when say omo attacking players no I can't just one player and a player when my branch friend say Kulevsevsky one who were proud 12 months near one team in Saka and Sonson and Madison one also out for 9 months a branch your friend says Javi Simon Senra me patro game at Tottenham bueno one also to me ko 9 months more kudus no at me pra 5 months or trafie a branch friend said Dominic Solanke one also to me pra 5 months appoint a branch friend said Odobet when we now so pra 3 months and also come on Kefio by Gina no and so my Sanson a branch friend said Richarlison so no me no ka say we pra Sanson a column money when we now and so pra aka only one player a branch friend said Matthias Tell and I say Matthias Tell player we pair and I no ka say attacking player I can show Tottenham must be team no yadin come out to do na so suma me na say on Sanson team to Jumedes na branch your friend said Jack Grealish we are say upe footballer say Otwabi pa ya branch me no ka say no enra ya potty picture bia a branch wakotu twabia say wafuma da Jack Grealish send somewhere else san ya mo here and I say on team anti-man club friends say Man City and I'm to be my penny friends say Pep Guardiola so no eja branch na friends say Jack Grealish we no so ya image anra yensa so so yedin come no dodo na so sumo dwumede say won san so team to dwumede san pa club your friends say Corinthians so e wa Brazil man reporter mete and he said say no me patcho mo dia branch your friend said Memphis Depay close to 6 million euros and Tiametin says say woman so SNA woman so ekopa de kan say sponsor and e be cover sad debt ni nyina no enso e de ma Memphis be pay and command there anka dodo na announce international DJ Afiba Dasma man wetimi adrush studio is a all point time enso chem the massa hwombre no esan say umra so ene esem enso me dia woso ebe woso Ghana for e wa fidikase esunti on this note ye de agudie mu nsem ebobo no nyina no enso so ebesikan ketes Lumba super nyumei mamenta Lumba super se nei wamso etimi akwam wasom asena agudie mu nsem papa ye de begu ana ya so no enche mu oden enkoma Sam J Bakery ene oma bodjuma brutal masa Mama Julie ene ne ho kani Mr. Samuel Afo Jumadi Omadino aswa ni papa ntenwumei Sam J Bakery mi andam asena afe no ya sada bema yaw enso so ewo Madina nwumre manya ne ntia se bema yaw wabiema utia se bibibia nso edidem na afe machia by his grace carpentry shop aja nwumre ma menchiaw manu adin komo mempa no nso so mesrew yene adwuma ne mame nti by his grace carpentry shop. And you may fantastic good evening, pa. And come on, many tears were bima, just a baby beyond to them. Itiaja, and you may mamma chow. We heavy pa, and by his grace, Ubajuma, and over a baby beer, carpentry dear. On by his grace. On Fundaka, na carpenter man on Fundaka. Obi one of my carpenter for no beyond it. You will crash, so you man one you for me. Oh, the way there's all boy, and then business Abu Fundaka. I don't open Fundaga. Maybe some person to the Siwana. And we nya papa. Who person to the Siwana to be see them. That's all they say. Oh, okay. Oh, now, pa. Oh, Massa, you any. Cassia, Mother Carver, my pause, Mukra. Yeah, my mother Cassie. It's your venture by his grace. Have you, Mumiana? Not so, and Yana Cassia. Nakade, me no. Naka who call me Mempesem, my business walker. Mukra mopa. Modam do amunya da kan nkoton nyiskani mfam to famo ene kan ze ya de be jam man be hwechiri ene hia ene se ene amunya se betokra e bi o de beto de mbeto e se ba ya mamre ne amane e se nye nti wo beto ye pe body ha ban bi de wo hihie agichire ho ana akogja e se obu mi se kusifu bi amako David soroko num kasa nya de ba akokra mo fa seke Bismark so mbezo be bushaka. They say Yakoto, Yakoto, say Yabako carpenter. Another topic for another day. I book a year who you be. We will discuss that very topic another day. If you remember, come on, a bread in tea, a bread, a tamason, and the friends in the Premier Bessens. Now, message me, you take a monitor, and I saw Yenso Cassiaboniswa. Me offer so better somewhat the buyer was a taxi driver, Tamanu Taho, and we're very different. Now, Chia, Adjoa Agyei in Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy, now with you on a taxi in the man. No any passengers in Muti and Mre was in Chakas, young common near Bema, Dennis, a Brakwadwa Bonham Ranese Kamuku, Nana Berma Asari Udrum. The dwarf friend say a Passamakahine or work up him, Ukrase, and if you piano or whatever, Newtown, watch out the moon and nothing. Mohammed Prince or say good evening, Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy be near Adjoa Agyei Sikapa, me take a say bonum, ewo Gomakufu, addition in nature munum, the Yenso Yajamusia Damase. Cassaboni, yes, a Muslim for your mace, maybe let you say more edemaing. Champion Taylor, and more for some case, Eddie Kupimo, ewo Facebook, and if you to my Cassabon when you be a shame. Sounds so now. DJ Zikipi, Chim, Cassafrin for Madison Brain. I can come for Yeminu, a dear just saw your offer, or said the other one at Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy be Mahutedin and a bunch of banana, or Tafri Jam and more Seba.
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa.